I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious Zambian meat pie using an easy method. First, let's prepare the pastry. You'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 125 grams of cold butter. Rub the butter into the flour until it looks like fine breadcrumbs. Then, slowly add about 1/2 cup of cold water to bring the dough together. Knead it gently and let it chill for at least 30 minutes. Next, let's create the savory meat filling. Start by browning 500 grams of minced beef with 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Once browned, add 1 diced carrot, 1/2 cup of frozen peas, and 1 tablespoon of curry powder for a lovely flavor. Stir in 1/2 cup of beef broth and 1 tablespoon of tomato paste. Let this simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes until the sauce thickens nicely. Now it's time to assemble our pies. Take your chilled dough and divide it into 8 equal portions. Roll each portion into a circular shape. Place a generous spoonful of your cooled meat filling onto 1/2 of each dough circle. Then, fold the other half of the dough over the filling, creating a semicircle. Firmly crimp the edges to seal them, and you can use a fork for a pretty pattern. Finally, let's bake these delicious pies to golden perfection. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, brush the tops of your assembled pies with 1 beaten egg. This will give them a beautiful golden shine. Arrange the pies on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Bake them for 20 to 25 minutes until they are wonderfully golden brown and cooked through. Enjoy your homemade Zambian meat pies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.